Welcome to no-nonsense-booking.com. In this video, I will show you how you can book a stay for someone else on booking.com. It doesn't have to be an account on that person's name. It can be your account. So for example, I'm logged in here as me. And now if I want to book a stay for somebody, I will first find a suitable property, click on see availability and choose the specific room type which you want to book. And then click on reserve button here. And on the following page, it will have your details populated by default because it is your account. But when you scroll down, this is where they ask a question, who are you booking for? And in this case, when you're booking for somebody else, you can choose this option, booking is for someone else. And as soon as you choose this option, you will notice these two fields appear at the bottom, full guest name and the guest email address. You can simply type in their full name and their email address and just follow the normal process of booking. Obviously, you will be paying for it, but once the reservation is confirmed, this email address which you're going to enter here will receive a booking confirmation, and the property which you are booking will also receive their name as the guest name. And not only that, they can also take advantage of any other genius benefits you may have on your account which can be passed on to somebody else. And with that, I hope you find this video useful. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.